Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free stuff on Temu. So when you're on the app, you can go to the use section here and then you'll see there's a lot of coupons and offers. Now you can use and get all of these coupons regardless if you're a pre-existing user or a new account user, right? And you can get all of these stuff like unlock your free reward, $300 coupon bundles, and your also $300 balance here, right? There's also a couple of other things like play and earn. In here, you can get a lot of gifts here, like all gifts waiting, 5 mysterious $5 item, and all of these stuff. You can also scan the QR code on the side of the screen now to get more free items from Temu. You can also enter in a coupon code here. Go to coupons and offer. You can enter in coupon codes here. I'm going to show you a real quick one that's free. So FR key and then 1072, 1072, and then 37. Now, when you click on apply here, this coupon code will apply a new promo code for you, and you can also get free stuff by applying that promo code. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.